Even those of you who are into SaaS or software as a service, you know that there are always comparisons, charts that compare points, 10 points against other 10 points. I am all about educating the public and especially educating financial services professionals. Now, if you want me to do a comparison one-on-one with you and you're a licensed agent, whether you are a personal producer or a team builder, send me a direct message and I will be glad to do a comparison. Now, make sure that you bring all your facts. Make sure that you bring your official company guidelines and also every single factor on your commissions and how you go up on ranks. And of course, also bring your calculator. I want to share with you that last week, someone booked me into my Calendly, and I saw the names of 4 prominent leaders in financial services from another company that I'm not going to mention. It's a company that I believe just started business in January, and they claim to have grown by 20 or 21,000 new members, okay? And so I was sitting with them, and the moment that we started talking about facts, this leader that he believed he was going to appeal to me because he also was born in Mexico. I'm always respectful, but I'm all about facts. He started rumbling super fast, boom, 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 like a machine gun. And I said, hey, let's slow down. Let's enter the numbers. I have a calculator here. And right away, he backed down and he said, no, let's not do that. So I'm all about the facts. If you are ready, send me a message and I will show you what I believe to be the most powerful system for financial professionals in North America. My name is Hernan Rodriguez, and you can scan the QR code to follow me in all social media platforms so that you can be notified every time that I have valuable content for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with others, and I will see you at the top of success.